These new unique products are perfect for your best friends. Easy to assemble, no hardware required. They are ready for you to paint, stain or leave natural if you choose. Material: birch. Country of origin: United States. MPI Wood is proud to offer our new pet product line. These new unique products are perfect for your best friends. Natural Baltic Birch dog cast bed frames, food water bowl stands and toy boxes. They come ready to assemble, they assemble in minutes and don't require any hardware. They are ready for you to paint, stain or leave natural if you choose. Each piece is cut from natural Baltic birch and provides you with a unique style to pamper your pet. Also, check out our newest version of our pine crates designed specifically with all the pet lovers out there in mind. These are fully assembled and are great for storage of essentials, and can easily be made into small tables or shelving units to suit your needs. These are also ready to put whatever type of finish you choose for them, or they look great left all natural. They are very well constructed, durable and, like all of our products, proudly made in the USA. Top reviews from the United States. Adorable. Easy to put together. Used as a doggy gift basket for my grand doggy. Holds a good bit of toys. Absolutely adorable.